My dear global friends, hello to you all. Today is 29th April, International Dance Day. This day is celebrated in memory of the creator of modern ballet, Georges Nofré. This day has been celebrated by ITI since 1982 onwards. Dance is a form where human expressions can be articulated so well. Love, pain, happiness, sorrow can be expressed in dance form in so various ways. Dance crosses the barrier politically, culturally, and ethnically. The Western form of dance is totally different from the Indian form of dance. In India, the dance forms are basically Bharatnatyam, Kathakali, Kuchipudi are all from South India. In North India, Kathak has an excellent place in the society. In East India, Odissi and Manipuri, they are the best dance form. In India, dance is a performing art from the time immemorial. It is there in Vedas, Upanishads, and even in the Buddhist texts. Dance has taken its wonderful journey from the time, ancient time onwards to the medieval and to the modern age. During the medieval age, it was mostly restricted to the temples and also the courtrooms of the Raja, Maharaja, Nawabs, and the emperors. In the 19th century, dance started to become popularized. Zamindars, they used to conduct the dance sessions to entertain themselves. In the 20th century, we can see there is a change in dance in the Indian society. Again, I have to go back to Rabindranath Tagore for his immense contribution to our society by making dance come into the school curriculum, college curriculum, and also in the university curriculum. Dance has its own way of expression. It doesn't require only a school of dance. Rabindranath Tagore, he started his own way of expressing the emotions through dance called the Rabindra Nritya, where assimilation of all the mudras, of all the emotions are there, softly expressed along with the Rabindra Sangeet, set to Teen Tal, set to Dadra, set to Kaharba, Jhap Tal, and the wonderful creation of the dance drama or Nritya Natya, as said by Tagore, like Chitrangada, Chandalika, Shama, which center round the women empowerment from the princess of Manipur kingdom or the Achut girl or a simple girl of a Indian society is well depicted through the dance form. Even Valmiki Pratibha, which Tagore himself wrote and sang in an opera manner, was only done by him at the age of 17. This shows that dance has its own way of expression. The 20th century cannot forget the contribution of Rabindranath Tagore, the contribution of Uday Shankar. Pandit Uday Shankar and Amala Shankar. They were the brand ambassadors of the modern contemporary dance to Western world. They have popularized the dance form in every corner of the world. And it is my immense pleasure to remember him and his troupe on the International Dance Day, and my regards to all the dancers of the world. Thank you. Namaste. Momo chitte nite nirte ke je nache tata thoi thoi tata thoi thoi tata thoi thoi. Momo chitte nite nirte ke je nache tata thoi thoi tata thoi thoi tata thoi thoi. Tari shonge ki mridonge sada baje tata thoi thoi tata thoi thoi tata thoi thoi. Tari shonge ki mridonge sada baje tata thoi thoi tata thoi thoi tata thoi thoi. Momo chitte nirte nirte ke je nache tata thoi thoi tata thoi thoi tata thoi thoi.